Hello, ignorance. Most of our problems, failures, or success depends upon our wisdom, and our wisdom is never got by our education system. All our wisdom is hidden in the treasures of our life book, such as Bhagavad Gita, or Quran, or Bible, wherein the true prophets have given us meaning of life, what is happiness, and how to attain fulfillment in life. So, only when we read our true treasure, the hidden wisdom of our life book, will we understand what is life, what is happiness, and what is fulfillment in life. Thank you.